channel. It's Michelle. Okay, listen, do all the companies know that it's silk press season? Because all I'm seeing is V parts everywhere. Seriously, I never wear my hair out and it's like all I'm seeing is the V parts. Although I will say, back in the day when I did wear my hair out a lot, I wore so many falls. That's all I would wear, is I would wear half wigs. They call them falls back in the day. The old heads know what I'm talking about. So today's video, like you saw in the intro, is gonna be this beautiful bad boy that's gonna get me all together. So when you're checking out, you have the option to add little things like accessories with your wig orders. So here's some of the accessories that came with my wig. I got this gorgeous, beautiful pink robe. I love robes. First of all, let's stop. Let's stop. Sorry, I'm about to go off on a tangent. All right, so I'm all about comfort, okay? Comfort. Y'all already know I'm the laziest natural ever. I love robes, okay? It's gotten to the point where it's my uniform. I used to walk around the house in some busted old stained up t-shirts and some shorts that were hanging on by a literal thread until I was going on my Pinterest one day and I saw this really nice lounge outfit and I was like, that's cute. That looks nice and comfy. So I ordered it. So after I realized how much I love that set, I said, Michelle, go get some more. And you know what? Get a matching robe. Get a matching satin robe. And ever since then, it's been a wrap. Like, look at me right now. Okay, I look like a Supreme Court judge. But what am I doing right now? I'm making a video talking to you lovely people eating a double quarter pound. Zhuzh yourself up. If you're gonna sit around depressed all day on the couch, at least do it in style. And I love this color. It's a bluish pink. Bluish reds and bluish pinks look the best on dark skin. Don't have to take my word for it. We got some press-on nails. These are actually a bit long for me, but let me tell you something else that I just found. I love press-on so much. I collect them from different websites, but let me put you on game, okay? The nails that I love so much are these. These are from Amazon. They cost that much, all right? I found the same exact thing over here for that much, okay? Don't say I never gave you nothing. Merry Christmas. I got a wig cap and also an elastic band to melt the edges of the wig, but there's no edges because this is a V part. And here is her debut, y'all. A Yaki straight, wonderful texture, I think. Mine might be a little bit, listen, the humidity, man. The humidity is kicking my butt already. Oh yes, baby. I know this is what you came to see. Another thing that I'm noticing, a lot of the wig companies are coming out with more drawstring elastic wigs. I don't have to say it, you guys know how I feel about elastic drawstring wigs. I love them. So let's go ahead and get into the features of this gorgeous wig. So I've enlisted the help of the beautiful Shaquafa. You know, it's been a couple of rough months for her. She's had a few important court dates and it's just so hard trying to get in contact with her, but she's here today. So look at this. So everybody back in the day that used to wear V parts, y'all know they did not used to look like this, okay? Right around here was this nice track just telling everybody your business. So they're calling it EasiContour. The premise behind this feature is that you don't need a lot of leave out, so that when you part your hair and you brush it over this edge, it'll blend seamlessly, okay? You won't have a big old track right here screaming at everybody, come look. It is very flat, okay? And it contours to the shape of your head so you don't have to worry about any bulk in the front. That's what you don't want. All right, I flipped her inside out real quick just to show you the placement of all the combs. You have one right here at the very crown, and then you have 4, and both of those on either side of where you're gonna part. You got 2 temple combs right here on either side, and these combs are actually removable. They do include a few extra replacement combs with your wig because they already know I'm gonna lose that. I'm gonna lose that quick. I'm trying to show you up close that this is like a breathable mesh material. You can kind of see through it. So for a little bit more security, you have this stretchy elastic band that is adjustable. It's also removable. One name comb in the back, this anti-slip material that's around the base of the perimeter of the wig, and the elastic drawstring, which when you pull it, cinches everything on up. This is it, y'all. This is the security we need. This feature, you cinch this and that wig is going nowhere. Okay? Not with these combs. These combs will snatch your thoughts right out your head. You think I'm playing. This little mechanism right here is what you would push up to lock the wig in place. I'm gonna show you, but it's kind of hard doing it with one hand. So yeah, Michelle, that's nice, girl. Put the wig on, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm never quite sure how much leave out to leave. I think I always put too much. So I'm gonna do my best to not do that today. I am gonna leave some out in the front though. I never want to leave too much out just in case, because the last thing I really want to do is be constantly blending my natural hair with the V part, so very minimal leave out this time. So I sectioned my leave out. One thing I have noticed though is that my scalp tends to get really dry. So if you guys know any good scalp routines, because I mean, why not? Scalp is skin, right? And if your scalp is healthy, then your hair is gonna grow healthy. And I got some Nizoral shampoo because I heard that can help. I also have been paying more attention to all the hair products that I have stashed under here and looking for anything that addresses dry scalp. And I found this Never Salty sugar-based scrub from Taraji. So I'm gonna use that and see if that helps. But yeah, girl, my scalp be dry in the wintertime. So I'm gonna go ahead and pin this up out my way because we want a flat install. All your scalp. The ancestors is calling to me, honey. I might have to answer. So this is for my girls who want a quick little sew-in without the sew-in prices, okay? Because this DIY, things is too expensive lately. I'm gonna go ahead and snip this connecting fabric and be very careful to not cut any of her hair while I do it. So she's all cut and there is that iconic V-part shape. I'm gonna go ahead and engage these combs and adjust my elastic strap and install this wig. So my combs are open. I'm gonna go ahead and slide that right under there and push it closed. And I'm gonna do the same thing for right here. So you can see how flush that is to my scalp. That is so flat, y'all. So that was super easy. I'm gonna go ahead and undo this braid and blend my hair in with this wig, y'all. So that just gave me PTSD, y'all, because I be hoping that my scalp does not flake up in front of all of y'all. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where did the V part go? Child, this is my hair. My flappers are gasted. I really thought I was gonna have to do something else to have this blend, you guys. Y'all, that is crazy how natural that looks. Okay, so you don't need barely any leave out. This is, let me show you guys a close up so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Tell me this doesn't look like my hair. Tell me it doesn't look like I grew all of this. This is my, listen, that's the transformation, guys. It's a magic wig. You definitely can't tell where my hair ends and the wig begins. This might be the one. So let me show you guys the length. She is 24 inches long, Yaki straight. So I have a couple of ideas about how I want to style the hair. I'm gonna do some hairstyles for y'all. But before I do any of that, I want to make sure that this stays secure in my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that elastic drawstring in the back. I like to be secure, so I'm pulling this thing tight. You see this little dongle thing? This little rubber stopper? You pull the elastic drawstring down and then you push this up, and this is going to lock that wig in place so that it is definitely snug and customized to my head shape, my body. So now that the drawstring is nice and tight, I feel a little bit more secure. I can do the shake test, okay? When it's 3 a.m. in the morning and you're on tour in your bathroom, you make sure your wig is not gonna fly off. This looks so freaking natural. Like, look at this, y'all. It looks like I just pressed my hair. Well, I mean, I did press my hair, but you know what I mean. It looks like this is on me. So here's the length on me. Let me show you the back. You can wear this in a high pony if you want to. I'm not gonna do that, girl. But I am going to engage this nape comb. So I wasn't sure which direction I was gonna go with hairstyles today, but I gotta do a half up, half down with this because that looks like it's my hair. Okay, so I'm thinking we'll do some curls first and then a quick little updo style, okay, to show the versatility of this unit. I'm gonna get my curling iron and I'll be right back. So I got some heat protectant and I got my BioSilk, and I'm gonna go ahead and attack this V part with some curls. I'm finally all done with the curling. I just used this finishing spray, so it's a light hold, so these curls may fall, but let me get up and show you guys the brush out, which is my favorite part. I love brushing out some curls. Don't mind me, I just got a little snap. So here is a close-up of how oingy boingy beautiful these curls came out on this hair. I'm gonna go ahead and brush it out now. I really don't even need to use the comb. I'm just gonna use my fingers. This is wild. Okay, y'all, I try my best. I am not a hairstylist. I'm sure many of y'all will do a lot better of a job than I did, but look, it's up. Hep up. Adorable. I feel like Ariana Grande. My Ariana Grande shirt. My Ariana Grande shirt on. Look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Y'all, I done ate my lipstick clean off. You know what? I almost busted out my straightening comb so I could make my hair a lot more sleeker, but it blends in so well with this wig, and I really don't need any additional heat on my hairline, so I'm gonna leave it like it is because it looks more natural anyway. Boom! Like, do you realize how much this would eat in kinky straight? Just a blowout? That's it. Okay, no notes, 10 out of 10. You got the elastic drawstring, the wig is going nowhere, you got the combs, they're removable, you got the adjustable strap. I actually took mine out because I felt like it was gonna make my head a little bunchy because I did not braid my hair down. My hair is like a whole bush under here. But it looks so natural and it blends in with pressed hair so beautifully. Look at that. Like always, thank you guys so much for sticking around. Of course, I'm gonna put all the information about this gorgeous unit that doesn't even look like a unit, it looks like my hair, in the description box below. Stick around towards the end of the video if you wanna watch my cringy glamour shots. But for everybody else, I hope you guys take care, have a safe and happy, healthy holiday, and I'll talk to you